Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing 20 DIY gift ideas you can make right at home. They're budget-friendly, thoughtful, and full of personality. Whether it's for a birthday, anniversary, holiday, or just because, there's something here for everyone. Let's get into it. 1. Homemade scented candles. Choose your favorite scents, colors, and containers for a cozy, custom gift. 2. Personalized photo frame. Decorate a plain frame with paint, gems, or even dried flowers. Add a memorable photo inside. DIY bath bombs. Simple ingredients, relaxing results. Add essential oils and food coloring for that spa vibe. 4. Hand-painted mugs. Create fun custom mugs using ceramic paint or markers. Great for daily use. Jar of notes. Write sweet notes, affirmations, or memories and place them in a decorated mason jar. 6. Homemade cookies or brownies. Bake a batch, wrap in craft paper and string, and boom, delicious gift. DIY sugar scrub. Combine sugar, coconut oil, and a few drops of essential oil. Put it in a cute jar, and it's ready to go. 8. Beaded bracelets. Choose their favorite colors or spell out names/words for a personal touch. 9. Mini scrapbook. Capture memories in a small DIY scrapbook with photos, stickers, and captions. 10. Painted plant pots with succulents. Customize pots with paint and plant a little succulent inside. Easy, cute, and lasting. 11. Handmade soap bars. Use melt and pour soap base and mold your own bars with scents and colors of your choice. DIY keychains. Use clay, leather, beads, or resin to create stylish and unique keychains. 13. Hot chocolate in a jar. Layer cocoa powder, marshmallows, and chocolate chips in a mason jar. Add a tag with instructions. Custom tote bags. Use fabric paint or iron-on designs to make personalized reusable tote bags. 15. Framed quote art. Design and print your own motivational or funny quote and pop it into a nice frame. DIY lip balm. A mix of beeswax, coconut oil, and essential oils makes for a nourishing lip balm in a cute container. 7. Emery jar. Throughout the year, jot down fun moments or compliments. Gift it full for an emotional surprise. 18. Homemade spice mixes. Mix your own taco, barbecue, or chai spice blend and store it in glass jars with custom labels. 19. No-sew fleece blanket. Just 2 pieces of fleece and some scissors. Tie the edges, and you've made a cozy gift. 20. DIY wall art. Use canvas, paint, and your imagination. Abstract quotes or patterns, get creative.